Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one out of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. I have to run one command in the terminal. Okay, wait for a few lines to appear in the terminal. One more. Okay, should be ready. It runs in the browser. Just for me, I'm the guy in the middle, but to start fresh. Okay, because I have to choose a class, what do I try today? Did I try Brawl? Guess. I try Tamer. Run to the sides, there are enemies which attack me if I come close. The power of both my health and my HP. If it reaches 0, I die and get a high score. Based on how far away from the spawn I died. So the goal is to get as far away from the spawn as possible. Enemies get stronger the further away I am, and my pets in this case, get stronger the further more they have killed. Now I play until I die. Check damage meter. Black did all the kills. Oh, it's too much. And it's the first boss spawn. Skill points. Let's take these. See, I have a damage meter split 1. In was these damage. Next boss. Protect me. Okay. Seedless is good. Firelight. Range eats less is very good. Let's do this. It's also some. Let's wait. I want change pet unhappy timer until cast. So I continue. Next upgrade. Let's take split. Eat less is good. All. How slow do I want it? I think it's strong. I wanted to make it. The next boss, let me. I get fed for painters, good. Dash very hungry. Damage taken is good. I have to feed him more, is okay. Yeah, gets fed, I want him fed. I take another. Slow. Vector, what do I take? Very no, shorter leash is okay, gets fed easily is difficult. It's less. Dash. I should put the color in. Dasher pet is here. He's very hungry, so eat less is very good. Explode is not required for the king. Get fed easily. Also fine. Okay. A lot. In can fed. Oh, I just have to dodge. Okay. Die. Is dead. Perfect. And this was 1 round. Let's see, damage meter. Black Breast did the most. Okay, Green Dash, Painter. It's a bit. Square did it. Black Melee. Black Melee feels low, but it did the most. This difference is too high. But now I ignore. I have no idea. Or split 6, the breast did the most damage, the painter the second, the dash the third. Breast did the most. It is the biggest AoE, so it's not so poor. Only have 3 splits. I can add more again. Or so level 7. The breast is the highest. Okay, this looks good. Just the melee damage of black by the king. Is there a reason? I don't think I change his passing. Doesn't make sense to me. Combat log, did I take damage? Yes. Melee hits always. Okay. What do I work on today? First increase version. I'm 123. Next, have this change idea. I have change damage meter. Should damage. Thought I have. Okay. Start with the unhappy timer. Pet. Tamer. Pet character. I have peanuts. I have to check something. I find to the boat position I'm looking for. I think I use this function, but let's wait. Shouldn't do what I'm searching. Change tamer pet happiness. Could be. Change the behavior. I do not disable abilities. I think I have to look into the ability. I have active something here. I reset it, I active it to false. Okay. Yeah, I'm very unhappy I called it. then I would change this very unhappy. So time it. Have happiness here, Q and unhappy. Let's call it unhappy start time. This can be set yet. And I have every I want. I put it here, const very p very unhappy time. No, very unhappy. Let's call it time. So 5 seconds. So he can very unhappy time. Timer. I don't know. Let's take this for now. I have somewhere so very unhappy. Oh. Here. I have to be this and happiness. Unhappy start time, I have to have it. And unhappy start time has to be smaller. I don't have the game time here. Oh. Maybe start time close. Be very unhappy timer. Time I started to be unhappy. Plus 5 seconds. And if this is game time is bigger, then I'm happy. I have to set unhappy start time. Somewhere where change time happiness, yes. Still 2 errors, why? Of course. Do I have it? Yes. A timer pet character mode. Be able to get game. And any confused. Okay, yes, well, yeah, I need game 2. Okay. Time. Still have quite a lot of errors. Move tick, no. Intake level tick. Change timer pet happiness. He's unhappy. Unhappy start time is games. Do I have game here? No. I have time. What time? I think this is the game time. Let's play until. Game time. Verify if this is correct. Time. Can set time. It's the correct time. Change it to game time 2. To fix errors. Okay. State time. Okay. Short. See. Can now need an ability. Easiest one is probably Boots. Did I give him It's less? Okay. Unhappy. Be very too much unhappy. 5 seconds should be up. Doesn't work. Doesn't get very unhappy. Why? Checks the addition in this queue and has to be smaller than half the unhappy. I guess this is it. I have to have an unhappy start time. It has to be smaller than game time. The only thing, let's look into the state. We have the game. State. Players. Your player. Character. Let's click through it. One. The fat one. It's happiness. 0. Happy start time is 3-4. And what is game state time? It's way above it. Why? Doesn't it display it? Oh, he's very unhappy. What happened? I have to wait and not do anything? And every time I get it. I check. Game time here. I change. Every time I change it. Do I... So I should change it if this should do undefined. I set it. And for all other cases, I should just clear it. Change tamer pet happiness. Change it. I check unhappy. I set SI. This should work. I should expect it to work. This again. Very unhappy. Change it. He should stop. Okay. No, I cannot accidentally make him visibility instantly. I think this is better. Tamer pet. Very unhappy timer. Oh, I want the more info. This here. I have to keep tab pressed, but short press should open it and keep the game paused, I guess. Oh. Let's go to player input. How does it work? It's UI, so it acting to key down. It's a new I action. Start, multiplayer, pause, more info. Okay, if I'm not in multiplayer, I pause the game. Confused. Here I set is input down. And if this is 2, I create. So I need a timer. The browser time, let's call it, system time. Less than a second passed, I keep it open. Half a second. To save this information somewhere. Display mode. Let's call it display mode. Press timer. No. This is the only one. Forgot something. This should be optional. Still an error. Yeah, because I question marked the wrong one. Game time equal performance now. No, if it is down. So input is down. Then I create more infos. I think I need an end. Undefined. So I press down and I don't have a timer. Then I create some more info. Else if is input down and I have a timer, listen, I don't have a timer. This I have to show it. Let's make cases other. Now I have the other case. Let's make it and timer, not undefined, better. But now this means press down again. I don't do anything, I guess. So the mouse, the input down is the interesting one. I press and hold. Okay, let's do this. If I is button up, this button up, I should have a timer always. Why? Yes, I would say I have always a timer. So let's do this. If foot is down, I have to check. Could say if it's undefined, this should not happen, but let's just do the case. Or if performance now is performance now plus, let's do 500 milliseconds. If more than 500 milliseconds passed, let's make it more. If I press multiple times, short, I hold it long. Confused. I should, if I set it to false, see what happens. It keeps being, but it doesn't pause the game. Interesting. Where's the pause? Where's the pause? This is now like this. Do okay, I think this is fine. I press it once and I see the more info and it's paused. At least if I'm not a multiplayer. For time. Okay, and if I restart, I don't reset it. Okay. Game okay. Game init. It's my UI here. is the restart thing. Yes, okay, I like. Something else. I think this is fine. More infos. Keep open on short button. I have the damage taken debuff. Should I care for it? I could put it in. I can try to put it in better set. Do I know? Add Dasher. Applies the debuff. It doesn't have points. Damage take. Debuff damage taken. Create it. Apply it. Province? No. Should I? I could reference it to an ability. So I could find out later who is responsible. Then I can add damage for it, but it's a bigger pie because it's a large. It's fine. Wanna try it. Include damage taken debuffs in damage. For this, I think I need to put in a reference. And only the did the explode do it? Okay, I have one here. This is now in debuff itself, so I can remove it here. DTIDREF, did I call it differently? Okay, let's. Did I wake? Oh, this can be undefined now. So I can force it here. So that still was something. damage taken. I can now do an optional undefined. It's undefined by defaults. Can put it in. And if the pet does it, tick debuff, apply debuff, fresh debuff. Apply if the damage factor is bigger. I had something with stacks. Okay. Do I have a TID here? Stacking. He wants to be false. I have stacking. Think it's false. Okay. Let's see. I have now a ID. This is just one special to check. One character. Ability damage and for ability ID. I have one. Okay. I put in the damage. This is a special breakdown. I would say if the damage to check if the let's do two things. We have this one need to do. And now I have to check if character debuffs find debuff name. It's this one. This way. Check. Copy it 1, 2. Such const taken debuff. If this exists and it has a ref ID, then I do it this ref ID, I guess. What else do I need? ability name? No, an interesting case. Let's put it here and this to undefined maybe. This. Have to think. Cannot put the debuff in. Guess that it's not quite accurate if I accurate in. Let's go in here. I have debuff name. Don't know if it's correct. I go. This can be undefined ability and owner and character by ID. So I take the ID. Should find the dash ID. This. I have an ability. Then I do ability breakdown. Don't care for the name here. Look up the function. Ability found ability. I have a breakdown. Dash has a breakdown function. Here. Don't have an ability name. Damage. This is both incorrect for if damage ability name is also not quite. Let's take it if this is debuff. This has no special case. Then I have to put in. Do I take this? No, I have to take add dash great. Search taken. And I need to get the upgrade of the ability grades. Match taken upgrade has to be. Oh, this one. This has to exist. Can check nevertheless. I don't need the type. Ability dash. Should, yes. Damage multiply this. -1. I'm not sure. This could be correct. Let's try. Tamer on 2 skill points. Dash damage taken. I make you fat, so you are slow. Come, Mr. Dasher. And twist. No? Let's go to that one. Oh, he teleported. Dash. Always teleport. I try again. Tamer. True skill point. Dash. Damage taken. Unhappy Vic. Leave you behind. Still one hits him. Still second. Come. Dash him. Dash him. Hit him. Again. He didn't take more damage. How long did it last? Level 1, I don't know. Try to hit him twice. Him. Okay, he does too much damage now. Cannot pull them. Okay. 2 ticks, this took more damage. Dash. 13%. I think this is correct. So the first tick does apply it, but doesn't increase it. So I hope now it works. Let's try. King area close. Tamer. Give me skill point. Dash. So, oh, let's do one more try. Tamer. 1, 2, 3. Dash. This is now doubled and lasts longer. Now give. Now fight. They're too slow. Increase damage taken 50%, 70%. It goes to dash. This is correct. Dash applies it. I think this is how I want it. And they are slow. Now I know why. They are so fat they cannot all attack at the same time. Do S and slow. It's a bit better. Hit him. He pushes them away. It's interesting. I guess this works. Keep it for now. Pet dash increase damage taken debuff for Damage meter. Damage meter, I've done it. No, I want to improve replay performance metrics. First, I need to get the timings. Let's see. I want game tests. These tests. I need replay. Here I have the start time performance. No, this is not what I want. Not quite. Play next in queue. I send, I pass, I replay start. I set stuff. But I would say here is where I reset the timer. Play start time. It's performance now. And for now, I run test replays. Time, this is fine. Did I woke something? Something. Let's run again. Something woke, but what? Normally he should die fast. Cannot see the pets. Is also bad. What did I break? Let's wait here for a moment. Seems I'm too tanky with this character. Okay. Aha! I see. This is breaking my replays. Or try. Test replays now. Oh, it makes sense. I have timer. Breakpoint, interesting. I want some data. To put out I have some data I put out. Let's stop this. I want to stop here. I have place somewhere. Yes. Okay, model. I want, it's probably permanent data what I want. Also is more testing. I think I put, I don't know. It will be part of this, but it won't be loaded or saved. How do I do it? Twist it in, saving it. Let's put it in here. And test local storage. Two test words. Local storage. Test one data. Test play. Test play data. Oh, local storage. Test replay data. Test replay data. I do not put it in here. In these, I guess, I hope. Don't know if it's in here correct then. Load. I think it's not correct in here. Do I need this? Or how I put stuff in local storage? Let's start in here for what function. Save. Play data. Something like this. I need something like this. Storage. Fast play data. This way I get the item. I have to cast it. I have it. I have some object. Data. I need a data structure for it. So if it's empty, does it start empty? Maybe something like this. Type past replay data. What do I need? I have file name probably. Which is my key. Which gives me then let's say an array of some labels or something. Type result. This can put the file name in here again. Yeah. Let's duplicate. I need a time. I need certs. File name time, let's call the its version number. I have a string for it. What else? Let's call it success is a boolean. And the third values, third results. Some array. What type of array? Numbers. Let's start with this for now. I have passed replay data. No, correct. It's passed replay data and it starts empty. If I have it, I get it, and I have play result. This is what I need to export then. And path replay data. File name, if this exists. This does not exist. Then I create an empty one. Push. Play with it. Can also max keep number like this. Doesn't like it this way. Like this. Max keep is say 10. And this. Get the queued data. No. Second. Last replay data. This does not exist. I have to put it empty. Seems strange. Don't know. No, I push it in, but I do not save it yet. Save is just set item. Okay. Now I save. Replay data. Stringify. This could work. This is take it out for me. Go to tests for now. Put it in here. Oh. Then I do not export it, I guess. Maybe. Let's see. No, it's this way. I start it here, but where do I end it? Game. Game end assert probably. Yep. Okay. Let's take this out for me. It's here. Equals, I log stuff. I no longer want to log it. So this will be changed. Let's at time this. Don't have the replay. What's this? I have the game. The game is in. Simply undefined. Couldn't be. Oh, that's just if play is not, I just return. I have time. Want play data is data. Wait a second. There is. I have file name. Do I know my file name? We play. Next input file. I say I started it, but I shift it out so it's no longer test data. Don't know what if we play data, but test replay data. Data. Okay, this doesn't include if the replay. Do not have to edit play have test file input queue and play name. Let's make it a string. But if I want to place it in permanent data, I'm only interested in constant files, I guess. Let's do play name is input file. I still log this. Why not? Now I have this. I have still some error. Oh, here I did. Don't replay name, but this could be undefined. He doesn't accept it. Be unknown. Success, I do not know yet. some var. Okay. Doesn't return anything. I do not want to put it out. Type. This is not worth much yet. It's just score. Okay, I have to check against something, but this is just it. Type doesn't matter. Success. I can just time. I also have there version number, state version. See, add version. There must some version. No, do I need? Confused. Here's a game version. So function for sport function game version string to this. Okay. This in where did I have it? Yeah. String. Now I have these. I can alt. No, it's no longer needed. This is also not correct. It's be this way. I check this, and success. So when it's success, it falls, it keeps being false. Don't know what is offset, but let's see. Test outdated replay. Say success is true, success is false. Outdated replay. Something I need to write. I think I can stop here. Oops. I see what I wanted. Outdated reply I do not need to write down if I find my other versions. I'm now interested in replay data again. Wait a minute. Says outdated replay. Permanent data. Data from replay. I have a version in it. My permanent data. Okay. Should be able to help me. Permanent data. Game version. This is Major Mina. Okay. And I need to make a small change to my this. Now I should have things. This is game version, and this is so game. But on version number, replay version number. Replay unknown version number, we play version number. It's play data, permanent data. Can I accept undefined here? Undefined game version turn on. Oh, I accept if there's nothing in here. Okay, this is one on version number. Time success. I want the certs are always sweep. And the certs type data any. Export type play cert. Play cert? Basically, yes. Just these two. Can do this. Again, too many open stuff. Cert data, let's do it this way. Good. Let's put it in. I need a copy. Maybe. I have them no matter what. So I think I need to I lost some. Did I misspell it? No. This doesn't allow undefined. Play cannot be. And I should have data, I would say. This still be it could still be undefined. Except this can also be undefined. but it's not correct. And the results in it type data. So with result, no, to search and result any, correct, one end. This doesn't work. Play so now I push. Do I need to data type is type. Data is data. Result is result might be the change it a bit. I change it up. Type is string. Expected is any and actual is any. No longer needs this. This expected actual. And now I can. What's this in here? Replay assert with result. Play assert. I also rename this. Guess this can work. I will take a short break, I guess. Can test if I come back. Okay, I will take a short break. I will be back. Okay, let's check my last changes. Quick test replace. Bit smaller here. Okay, I have some data. I have unknown. This shouldn't be. I have a time, I have success. I have expected actual. This should mean I'm not successful. It's probably copy paste error. New score kill counter. Yes, it's copy paste error. Then why is the version not here? This should be here. Permanent data isn't a game version. It's possible. Wait, do I already deleted the data here? No, he should have something in data. At least the thirds are still in here. All have an unknown. No, okay, here I have. Okay, some older ones don't have. That's fine. Play version number. Have the data. File name. File name success. These are the first time. I don't think I want the started text. Why? Outdated replay. I also don't need. Is outdated replay. Permanent data. Why do I need this? Okay, I don't need it. I don't need this, it seems. I have one output removed. Started replay. Do I want it or not? This output is in the result. Test replay. Let's see. I have short tamer, short ones. Short king has data, which is as expected. But let's stop f. Now this output part I want to save. Local storage. Play with it. Do this. But I do not want to save. It's called replay result. File name is not. Let's say if it's unknown. I just log this. I return, else I go here. Pass. And I want to log this one, I would say. Now I save. I log results for one file name. Let's see. And test replay. I stop here for now. So far so good. Test replays. I have 2 entries. So I stop again. Now I have timings here. I push, so the bottom one is new. This display is not helpful. Let's do one more. I want success, and I want do it differently. Success. If I want these file results, I push in here, I put them out, length is bigger too. I want say time change to last run. I have to time new time. It Play result time. Last the const last time was results file results 2 point time. I have more than one. Last time. Time change to last one is then. How do I calculate it? New time last time. This is do I compare it to last time? Last time. So this is if it's identical 0, right? Where something keeps being 0. If last time is bigger, it will be a negative. It's faster, positive, bigger. If it's twice amount, will be 1. I think this is fine. This is 100% would be times 100. Let's do this. 2. Oops. This way. It could be fixed. I am only interested in 2. Maybe something like this. Maybe I should put down the file name. File name. File name. File name success change and then the data. Test replace. 16%, 17%, 9%. Positive value is slower, I guess. Tamalong, the Tamalong died. Score. This is a timer score. Kill counter, it's much lower. Somehow it died. Okay. Why did I break it? Long sniper. What happened here? Acted actual. Okay, this doesn't matter. This is fine. Also, it's interesting if it's changed to last time. It has been broken. So it changes from true to false. It's only interesting. Long build-up success. Also false. Just, and why do I? Different ways of writing it down. No. Is writing it down differently. I have to look into it. But first I have max keep. Only set it once if it doesn't exist. I push this bigger one, I do this, and I can also check if file results length bigger, play result, no, play with data, we play result data, max keep, then I results supply, no, unshift, I think is the correct one. No, shift. Shift's the correct one. What's the first element for? Okay. Now I keep 10. Lock. Success is I remember. I currently do not know if play result success, if this is not the case. So it's not a success and I have to have more than one and one before. Success is 2. So this is when I do this. Else this feels not, this not to be in it. It's not a success, but the last one was okay. Test replace. dies for some reason. But I do not know what I changed. Also file name, I have here some time change. I have 4, I have the second one 11% up. But if they are not successful is interesting, because then I would need new ones. Can open them. Successful. Okay. So there are different. Okay, on a 8-second one, this is 11% is not that much. For a 50-second one, this is a long sniper. Only 8 seconds. Interesting. Do I see the game time? I have. This is a game time. 500. It's 7 minutes. 7 minutes and 8 seconds. So less enemies, a lot faster. This is basically what I wanted. Now I do not want them to be deleted. Clear my local storage. Let's make a function. Function with set perma data. How do I do it? Basically, I have to delete them. Let's think. Storage clear. Want only to delete specific local storage. Does clear have keys? Get item, move item, probably. Just like this. Good, and let's do it for all. Player data. Okay. That permanent data. I have to think local storage clear. Let's do this now. Let's see. I have some data here. Clear local storage. Load. And it looks good. When I do test replays, I still have my test replay data. They're so fast, I don't know why. In the tamer one. Hope I didn't something. Not displaying false might be. The best idea. Okay, so far it looks like what I want. I have false here in builder, in sniper, in tamer, and in. Did I miss one? Ball is 2. Okay, ball is the only one which works. Seems like I will need test run, I think. Tamer is first, also I did today. Sniper and builder. And also the short ones I should probably do new one. -8%. I think the game test. I change this to successful file name, time change. Let's time change. No, I don't need it. Probably I could also do it differently. Instead of having two, let's do it differently. If cannot question mark this empty if I do not have anything, and else I put it out. And can also times one question mark nothing else. Should work this way. Test replay. Success false. Short sniper is still successful. Yes. So I can do short builder. Short tamers also. Can I? I have to put here. Oh, I missed it. I'm down here. If I press there, it's here. I can pause. Okay, because I paused, I changed the timings. Now I have a longer. What? I'm confused. Time is not put out. Yes, correct. I ordered it wrong. If it is 0, I do not put it out. Can I only put it down if it isn't 0? But I could also build here. Same effect. Also, I don't know the effect of like this. It did just. This should now be faster because I paused it. Oh. Yes, minus 19. Guess I end for today if this is run through. And I have the last replay data as a full point maybe. think this stop pathfinding, I will change it differently. Okay, now I have all data. D50. Let's save replay results time comparison to S. I don't know. Save replay results time comparison. I keep this push commit. I guess I want to end so I can push. Let's see, game tasks. I did this one. I hope I did not forget anything. I need think about sound still. Probably will forget to do it again to look into how I can capture only if virtual machine sound. Can do some improvement. I could also do some refactoring. Might be a good time to look a bit over the code again. I have nothing else to do. Multiple king twice I have. Another class. Two possibilities I have nothing. Didn't even remember I have this. Probably ignore this forever. Okay, let's end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.